How to use Payoneer for freelancing payments. In order to use Payoneer for freelancing payments, first of all, Payoneer is a global payment platform for freelancers to receive cross-border payments from marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, and direct clients in major currencies like USD, Euros, or GBP. Now, users must actually sign up, so you must have signed up as a freelancer. So during the initial phase of Payoneer, it will ask you to select your business method. There you must have selected freelancer, verify your account, and also receive payments via local receiving accounts or request a payment tool. So you can go to Actions tab, you can select request receiving accounts or request a payment from your payment provider to be able to receive the funds. This way you can use Payoneer for freelancing payments because it is made for business and marketplace payments only, not for personal transfers but only for business transfers. So I hope the video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.